Friends, welcome back to part 3 of how to crochet a mini bag. And already I have done almost all parts. I have stitched. Now we are left with the shoulder strap, and I have done one stitched already, and now we are going to stitch the other shoulder strap. Okay, so for that, just take the strap and put it here back side of the bag and just stitch it. Just be careful, we have to stitch this strap a little bit slanting like this. You can see here, okay, like this we have to stitch this. Okay, so just stitch this strap and I'll meet you when I finish one side. So friends, one side is ready, you can see here. Okay, now we are going to stitch the other side of the strap. Okay, just make sure it is little bit slant and then just stitch there. So friends, our mini bag is ready. Straps are ready, handle is ready, decoration is okay. We have finished our decoration also, and everything is done. Now you can see it looks like this. Okay, now as I said in my first part of this crochet mini bag, that you can put your cosmetic also. Now I'm going to show you, you can put your money, your visiting card, everything inside this, like this. Okay, so and then just close this strap like this and close our button. So you can see it's done. Perfect, right? So now this is done, friends. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and please like our videos. Thank you very much. Share this with your friends and family members, and if you want to follow us on Facebook, or the Facebook link I will give you in the description box. Thank you.